In March 2015, I had finally fulfilled my 10-year-old dream. I went to Amazonia, one of the most mysterious parts of the world. And not just as a regular tourist, who usually sees only Machu Picchu and Titicaca Lake, but as a true investigator who can experience the Amazonian life from inside. But what's more, not only see, but also help, at least a bit. It was a fairy tale, and now it's hard to believe that it truly happened to me. Struggling through the bogs and logs in the real Amazonian rainforest, swimming in the tropical lake with caimans, walking and talking with Mark, crazy wildlife photographer from Britain, Jesus, the genuine Peruvian forest man and incomparable bird watcher, Tara, thoughtful adventurer from Holland, and other not less remarkable people I met in this expedition. It is difficult to believe, but there are still some people who are willing to leave everything behind and go to the remotest places in the world, to give these places a chance to survive. To meet people like them and to get a first-hand experience of the work they do is always remarkable. It renews the soul and lightens the heart. It strengthens one's confidence in kindness and love. It is just 5 a.m. and the night is still long. To the sunrise in jungle we go stone by stone. My companions are younger than 24, men of forest, they are sturdy and brave. Those young men were brought up by the rainforest noise. They were learned to behave, so to fit in that voice. Their machetes are sharp, and their eyes like of owls, and their thoughts are so pure and naïve. They know ways in which different creatures behave. They know when steering bushes is safe or unsafe. As the lines in the news, they can read someone's trace that are left by the nature's night jumper. By the fallen trees, going through squeezy swamps, with the light which is brought by the only small lamps, they are looking on how life is waking and starts, how it's watching us out in jungle. We were walking so silent as the leaves fast at fall, sensing, smelling and hearing, not breathing at all. Amazonian mud purifies our soul, filling it with the dew of its freedom. It is clay, not a dirt, and if waterfall flows, all this runs, all this loves, all this suddenly goes. I just wish urban growth keep away far from those sparkles of natural magical kingdom. And I ask all the gods to take care of this place, to preserve it from any urbanistic race, to conceal its sacrality by spider's lace, to conserve it so tender and flawless, so that rivers and lakes would sparkle here year by year. Mammals, snakes, bugs and bees never would disappear, and that souls of life would preserve as they've been, in eternal enchanted rainforest. If you want to try the life of tropical biologist, at least for a week or two, if you are interested in the real life of Amazonian rainforest, if you want to pay less and see much more than in an ordinary tour, if you are a kind of person who wants not only to take, but also to give, and to make something good for this wonderful world, just go for it.